Hello, today's lesson we are going to fix this device is not charging. As you see, we have uploaded the cable but it's not charging. So let us fix this problem in smartphone. So after opening this device, we need to make sure if our battery is okay. We need to make sure if our switch is okay. Then we may repair charging system issues. So let us open it careful and start fixing this problem. Remove that plastics. Yes. So we are going to add a new one, charging system. You can use blower if you have it. If you don't have a blower, don't worry. You can also use candle, but with candle, use it careful. Disconnect there. Remove it careful. Remove vibrator. So that is charging system. We're going to remove it and add a new one using candle as a step. As you see, this ice is too old. That's where we're gonna put a new one. Let us start. Just easy like something funny. As you see, I have much different eyes and charging system for smartphone. So we are going to put for smartphone. That is candle. Do it careful. Have to white. So I'll remove it. Okay, it's removed. So clean wire and put new again. Putting new. Finished. It's very easy, as I told you before. So after you have to wait as 2 minutes or 3 minutes, then after that minute you have to test. This is very easy step. Also you can use soldering iron to put new charging system. You can use blower, you can use even candle. So let us put again a vibrator that is soldering iron. That is soldering wire. We are going to use it with soldering iron. And put again vibrator. Then start testing if the charging system is working. Plus red wire, negative black wire. Already. So let us try to connect it again and put USB and see the result. But if you have a soldering gun, it's good to use it on that legs of charging system. Like that. Okay, finish it. Make sure our legs of charging system is connected well. So let us put it again and test. Connect there, screen holder. Then plug in USB. Okay, let us try. Wow, it's okay. Device is charging. But if it continues to refs, you have to move it again, and using soldering iron. Let me show we have. Remove it again. We are going to pass there soldering iron and paste. So let's do it. Then check it again and try again. Soldering iron with paste. Make sure all legs of charging system is connected well. So clean with brush, put it again and test. Let us test. It's not charging. That's okay. So as you see, remember to invite your friend, family to this website, because in this website we have different courses about phone repairing. Continue with us. Don't forget to like this video.